Hi all, this is a review of a Aussie US sell trade I attempted this week. So this was just a terrible trade. Same mistake as a trade I did before on the same day. That was on New Zealand US, but in New Zealand US I managed to manage it well and get out with no loss. But in this one there was a bit of a loss. So the idea I had was, I see this range and buys come up initially strong, but they look like they're struggling, and I saw that this seller over here came in with a pretty strong volume, sharp reaction, and looking at it from a lower time frame, looking at it from this perspective, I saw that the sell is, 3 minutes. I saw that the sellers had made a bit of a sharp reaction there, tested and come down in very sharply compared to this move up, and that's when I got in for the sell, thinking the sell is likely to continue after that small move up and move down. So that small test of what I thought was this breakout area. But this was just incorrect thinking again, because no support was broken. So again, the high volume reaction near the edge of the range is an insufficient condition. Either there has to be a proper struggle, or a support has to be broken, and in this case neither of those happened. The move up was actually very strong, and although this looked choppy, I now notice that this is actually making higher lows. It's making higher lows and it's making higher highs, and I saw that in this kind of structure, when I was managing my next trade, pound Swiss franc, I saw that this kind of structure, this often just breaks out very violently to the upside. When it's high lows, higher highs being made, it looks choppy, but progress is being made, and the resistance is being broken down slowly because higher highs are being made. So this is just a completely incorrect read. I moved my stop loss down. So I initially had my stop loss above this high, but once this pullback came in and this came down, I moved my stop loss down there. But again, the fact that this failed to break the low should have been a clue that I should get out. But I think I was still hoping that maybe this is just going to go up a little bit and come crashing down. So there was a bit of hope in this trade, but I think better, not really hope, but just incorrect analysis, incorrect read, which lately has been a bit of a rare thing for me in most cases. But this is a very beginner type of mistake, I think. So I'm not very happy about this. Anyway, I let my stop loss get hit, and I got taken out right there. But because I was just blinded by how the trade may still work up to that point. Okay, so that's all. Thanks, and comments and questions are very much welcome.